foods that were both nourishing and very satisfying. I think the combination of carbohydrates with some quality fats and proteins to make a green smoothie that is gluten-free, sugar, big handful of baby spinach, and the more the merrier here, really as much as you can fit in the blender. Baby spinach is really sweet, it's really mild, so it's great if you are new to green smoothies, but if you wanted to, then I have one frozen banana. I always recommend using frozen fruit when you're making your smoothies because A, it keeps the flavor of the smoothie really concentrated, and in 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. Now, vanilla protein powder is a great supplement if you're looking to get more protein into your day. I put a spoon of almond butter. You could really use any nut butter that you have on hand. You could also do a seed butter if you don't do nuts. So as always, use what you have, use what you love. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. Now, hemp seeds are super creamy. They have a mild, nutty flavor, and they're an excellent source of plant-based protein and fats, plus they have a good amount of fiber. So I really love adding them to a breakfast smoothie just like this. A dash of cinnamon for good measure, and of course, delicious flavor, and then 1 cup of liquid. I'm using an unsweetened vanilla milk here today. Sometimes I just use water. You could do oat milk. You can really literally do any liquid that you love or that you have on hand. Then I'm just going to toss a few extra ice cubes in there because I like my smoothies super cold, and blend it up. This smoothie is cold, creamy, nutritious, and absolutely delicious. It's